it.
that. I like that. I like that attitude because I've been always coming here and you're the liveliest person I met
Thank you.
actually.
You're so sweet.
Honestly. Hello, my loves. Today I'm going to reveal what I got for Valentine's. However, I actually used my gift cards from last year's holiday to put together to be able to purchase this bag, and I only paid very little, about 130 something dollar. I will show you the screenshot. 137, I would say. I will add the screenshots of my receipt when I got it from Nordstrom during the Valentine's Day. I just put together all my gift cards, but I guess the title kind of catch you there. I thought it'd be interesting to use the title. I'm not trying to trap you or anything. I just want to share this bag is such an awesome purchase. It has the best review, all 5-star in Nordstrom, and I'm sure it has other good reviews in other websites as well. And as soon as I saw this bag, I was just like, oh my god, that is a darling. I gotta have it. And so I decided to pick it up on the Valentine's Day. I actually haven't really paid attention to it when I was in Paris, and now I have it, so I'm excited. Let's start the unboxing. Also, if you're new to my channel, my name is Zona. I share videos regarding shopping and my travels and a lot of handbags videos so far. So, and for all of you that is already my subscriber, thanks for watching, and I'm hoping that all of you have checked my other unboxing. I try to make videos on each item or in each brand just so I don't make it too long. Alright, let's get into it. Here she is. Very exciting. I like Givenchy bag because they are made in Italy, and Italy is really known to have a very good craftsmanship and a very good leather and durable, and I have tested and proven that. I can't wait to share this cutie with you. Oh my god, I am really thrilled and excited that I added this in my collection. I didn't think I'd add more Givenchy bag this year in my collection, but this is the third one, and so far I'm very happy with what I got. My SA, or my personal shopper in Nordstrom, she's just awesome, very nice lady, very resourceful, and I love talking to her about fashion. So she's just quite an amazing person. She knows a lot about the brand, and she knows a lot about luxury shopping because she is also French, and she's working Nordstrom. Polite, very nice, personable, and very helpful. Over the years, I have several personal shoppers at Nordstrom. I somewhat get the ones that haven't stayed long working there. And now I have Anna, and I really hope that we'll have a long-term relationship and she could help me more with my shopping. I love shopping in Nordstrom. I have been a VIP in that boutique. I buy a lot of my gifts there for holidays and family occasions. So Nordstrom is just a wonderful place to shop. I'm so grateful that I'm gonna share another one with you. So here she is. So the price of this is $995. And so it comes with this bag, and comes with the care booklet as well, and right there is the price before taxes. And are you ready? Oh my god, are you excited? What's in this little box? I can't wait to reveal her. Can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh. Let's do it. Charan! Here she is. It's the mini pocket quilted logo bag in black. You have a good energy like me, and I really like that. So, yeah.
Okay, let me try. I try to find.
Yeah, try to find
show you the belt.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is also cute. I have have a special place in my heart for Givenchy.
Oh my God. I'm so
Yeah.
happy to hear that.
I actually had that big Antigona before, the biggest one right there,
Yes.
but it didn't work well for me. I also bought it here. It was like bronzy, you know,
Bronzy.
with the gold dust undertone.
Yes.
And I think it was only made for Nordstrom.
Yeah, just like
That
the one you bought
like
in black.
exclusive.
The blue is exclusive.
Ah, the blue.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen the blue anywhere.
Blue is just only here.
Yeah, so the one I bought, I kind of,
Yeah, blue is just for Nordstrom.
yeah, I know, I kind of regret selling them because I've never seen that Givenchy bag. It was like a grain leather with like kind of like a darker green with the
Yeah, those are-
bronze dusty
I know.
dust gold undertone. It was
Yeah,
so
I
pretty.
know. Those. It's a specialty.
Special for Nordstrom.
No, those are
Okay.
specialty.
Oh, specialty bags.
Even if it's for Nordstrom,
Uh-huh.
they here for a season and they
Right.
never come
return.
back.
Yeah.
So the gold
I feel
belt
so
is
bad.
right now sold out.
Uh-huh.
The black is available.
Let me see this one. It's 450. Yeah, you can actually wear those belt by itself.
Yeah.
That's
Oh
what-
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, those belts you can
You can
wear
put
by
it in the
itself.
jeans. You can put,
Right. Yeah, I've seen those, but I haven't seen the gold. Here she is. Beautiful, brand new. I love the smell of brand new bag. I'm taking this home with me. It's so exciting. Such a cutie. This is made out of goat skin leather, so it's going to be a very durable one. Most adorable bag, cutie, little mini, versatile. You can wear it so many different ways. And I think this is perfect for like travel because some people might not really recognize the Givenchy logo. Very nice. I think I'm picking it up today. So exciting.
1250.
Oh yeah, 1250.
And
I
this
think
is
it's
995.
yeah, I think it's because of the gold chain. So I've seen those.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that in the.
So I very happy with that.
Yeah.
And I love this.
This
chain.
is amazing. This is just really versatile, and I like the gold hardware.
Oh, gold. This gold hardware is oh,
Right. I like how it has this.
yeah.
That's the one that sold me to it. Yeah, and this one's yeah, the pink one is nice too, but I think the black would be better.
And you can wear different color belt with it too. It doesn't
Right.
have to be black on black.
Yeah, I have quite a lot of belts, so
Also, if you ever decide to buy belt, to match the hardware, I don't know if it's still in stock, but there is a
You
gold,
have a black one.
gold
Gold
belt.
and black.
Yes, we can order you. I don't have
Like
gold.
a black like this.
Black I can see if we have in stock.
Uh-huh.
Gold we can order.
Oh wow. How much is the gold one?
I think it's for a little bit more than 450. Not much.
You have a picture? Oh, I didn't see that in the internet. So you can like put it as a
It's a top handle.
top handle like.
You also attach it here and use it as a wristlet.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, so there's 3-4 different ways you
Oh
can
my
use
goodness.
it. Or
And
more.
then you can use it as a
It's
shoulder bag, a
or
crossbody,
shoulder bag, crossbody bag,
crossbody,
and belt
and a
bag.
belt bag. The little like
Little
this.
slots. Yeah.
Wow, I love it. Cutie.
It's small, but it fits a lot.
Yeah. It is a cutie.
It's-
Look at
it's
that. It looks good
It's
with my
darling.
leopard jacket.
It
So-
looks good with everything.
Yeah.
You know what?
It is adorable. It has a really good review.
Do you wear, like, if you wear dresses?
So, my goodness, it's so adorable. I have to use my gift card. I'm here in Nordstrom. I have to use my gift cards I got from the holidays, and this is the bag that I'm eyeing. beautiful. But the belt is like 450, so you can buy them separately, or you can just get the bag by itself. Kind of want the black, so let's try it on. So I only paid $131 for this 1072.11 for this bag. How sweet! It's a convertible bag and it's made out of goat skin. Really pretty, and she has a little nose ring right here where you could hang your bag charm. I think it will really look good how it will drop. And this is a very versatile bag, well made. I love the quilting, I love the stitches, they are all just so perfect. It has a back pocket which is quite substantial, it's quite roomy right here. The length of this bag is about 7 inches, and then the height is about 4 inches and 1.6 in depth. And there is about 6 or multiple ways to wear this bag. And for this, it has actually like a belt insert right here. So you could buy the belt separately. It has the double G logo and you could insert it here. But I think that because the price of the belt is quite high, and I really think I could use just any black belt with this. So I just feel like I didn't have a need to purchase the belt. Also, it opens up like a flap, like this. So it closes very easily, and it has a 5-star review in Nordstrom. Everyone just really loved this bag, and it's not that heavy. It's about 0.6 pounds, and attention to details of this is just amazing. It has a gold hardware, quite yellowish gold, and it has the embossed logo here, Givenchy and Paris in there, so quite interesting. And then it got another pocket here inside. I love that this is also quilted here. It gives more character to the bag. And another thing I'd like to mention is it has this beautiful chain, gold chain, really nicely built. The heaviness makes it feel like so expensive. It's just heavy enough to carry the bag, and you could actually put this on the side right here, so it could look like that, and you could wear it as a wristlet like this, or you could also just take this out and wear it like this. And you can also just put this inside the bag and wear it as a clutch. There you go. You can hide the little rings on here on the side, and looks like an evening clutch. How awesome is that? Now let's see what else is inside. So inside comes with a suede interior lining in beige, and it has some leather on here on the closure, and then it has another flat pocket right here. So this is a compact, really nice little bag that you could wear and put all your essentials for the day, and can wear it crossbody, shoulder. You could just wear it as a shoulder bag, or you could even wear the bag as if to hang right here. I've seen many girls do that and adjust the strap that way. You could also wear this as a belt on top of your blazer. That will really look so chic and edgy. What a great craftsmanship. I feel that it could provide enough space for your daily essentials, and it's just very nice to carry it around with you. I have seen this in different color. It comes in red, light red, dark red, blue, and of course the black is just really easy. I can't get away from buying black bags because it's something that really easy to take with you, and you don't have to think about whether it fits and it matches your outfit, because it will for the most part. And then let me show you the strap right here. So brand new, still in the plastic. And yeah, I am so lucky to get the gift cards and put it together and buy just one thing that I will really adore and like and wear. So instead of buying a lot of small items that for sure might not last me a long time, so this is quite a good investment to use all your gift cards. So here she is. This is about 22 inches long, so very nice. I like that it's thin, it's not really thick, makes the bag more sexy. And you could snap and put it together this way. Here she goes. Oh, here she is, looking so chic, so edgy, but yet it has that classic feel to it because of the quilting. Looks like a Chanel mini rectangle. I wonder what's the difference with size. So I'll probably make a separate video on that. Oh wow, look at her. You could also put the gold chain like right in here. Very sexy, gorgeous, stunning. I can't think of any other words to describe this, but such an amazing purchase. I really love it. Oh my. Gonna do a separate video on what can fit in this bag, and I'm also going to share how to style them and how to wear them in different ways. So I hope you look out for that. And also I hope you have seen my other unboxing for my Paris items that I purchased. I also will put together a video of all the items that I purchased in Paris in one video. It's gonna be a whole video for Paris, and I hope you will look for that too. So the links are all down below. I hope you like the bag, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And also thank you for all my subscribers and for watching me and subscribing, joining me here. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe, like, and share with your other friends. And so that is it for today. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Take care, all right? I love you.